I've just booked my trip to Plopsaland De Panne for mid-September and I wanted to share with you my findings. Plopsaland, it's a park for kids, but then out of the blue they decided to open this extreme spinning coaster of Mach, which has been just awarded as best new roller coaster in Europe, making it high on the bucket list of enthusiasts. In terms of when, I've discovered that the park in September and October, it's open only during weekends and on Wednesdays. I suggest Wednesdays because it's likely to be less crowded. On top of that, they run a promotion, so the entry ticket on Wednesdays, it's nearly half the price. So yeah, that's the one. How to get there? From UK, I suggest to take a ferry from Dover to Dunkirk, not Calais. Reason being, it takes 2 hours, but then you arrive really close to the border between France and Belgium, and you're literally just half an hour drive from the park. You could go for Eurotunnel, but it's much more expensive, and then from Calais to the park, it's more than 1 hour drive. There is only one company doing this route, and they're currently running a promotion on a day trip. So they consider day trip any travel in which between the two legs there are 24 hours. This comes at around £100, but there is an extra £50 cash back if you buy anything and is spent in the duty free. Fair rules says also that you can catch a ferry before or after 4 hours from the booking. So I booked both ferries at 8 p.m. to get the day trip fare, but I'm trying to leave at 4 p.m. from Dover, and I will let you know if it works. This is definitely the most cost-effective solution, and with the money saved you can get a cheap hotel for one night. I don't suggest a one-day trip because you're going to be exhausted in the park. That's the info if you're driving an electric vehicle as I do. In the official park car parking, there are EV chargers, and apparently they work with the Shell Recharge UK card. That's a really good news. Hopefully you found this video useful. Enjoy a ride to happiness, of course, and please subscribe.